August 2026 and we're building the first bookshelf. And we have not yet started, so if anything goes wrong, then we will come back to this footage and think of how we should have never started in the first place. In the meantime, let me show you all the books I got yesterday from that book exhibition I went to. One thing that my sister always says is that children's books or children's fiction is so much more interesting than adult fiction, and sometimes it's not even for children because the books that they write and the messages that the books contain, it's so much difficult to understand and grasp as a child versus when you actually read them in your adulthood. We just read out the blurb of some of these books because when I read them for the first time I was like, I have to get them, plus these were all for 100 rupees each. This one is called Murder at the House of Rooster Happiness. It's basically this novel set in Thailand and it's a murder mystery. The blurb is, 2 nights ago, a young woman brought her husband into an emergency room of the Shrifat hospital in Thailand where he passed away. A guard thinks she remembers her coming in before but with a different husband, one who also died. The name is a little difficult for me to pronounce, so I'm just gonna call it LP. LP, for one, would have been happier without a serial murderer if there is one loose in her hospital. Then again, she never expected to be a detective in the first place, and now LP has no choice but to investigate. Another one of my favorite books. I love firstly how the cover looks like. Look at it, that's so cute. but they've covered the edges also in purple to make it look spooky because it has like a ghostly vibe to it. It's called Greta and the Ghost Hunters. First of all, I love the cover. Whoever has said never judge a book by its cover, I don't agree with them, because I really judge books by their covers, because I don't want someone's face slapped on top of a book cover. I feel like the amount of effort and thought process that goes into the cover shows and is equally related to how the book was treated while writing or how the book was written. So I definitely feel like a good cover is an indication of good content being inside. Greta Woebegone did not believe in ghosts until the day she almost died, when everything changed. Now Greta can not only see the spirits that haunt her family home, she can talk to them too. From Percy, the poo-pushing plague victim, to the sinister spook in the cellar. Can Greta save the ghosts from being exorcised, a fate worse than undeath? Can the ghosts help Greta stop her grandma being put in a home? And can any of them find the courage to face up to the sadness in their past that is holding them back from the future? This one I got purely based on vibes and manifestation that I will go to Mussoorie sooner or later, mostly sooner. I would love to go there for one of my birthdays. The cover is so cute. Like, if I ever illustrate or design a book cover, it would be very similar to something like this.